UnoQByte Season 5 powered by Resonance Energy. With us we have Mr. Abhishek Ranjan, CEO Rajdhani Power Limited. So the Uno question to you is related to the Unified Energy Interface. So what exactly this will be and how it will change the overall modalities of energy metering in India?
Yeah, so this is a very unique concept. I think there's a paper on it which has been shared by one of our own Indian leading startups with one of the stalwarts in this sector. This concept, if it is going to be ushered in, is going to revolutionize the way we see electricity today. Okay, just like I'll just give you an analogy. You have unified payment interface.
Yes.
The way it has revolutionized the payments, and when you receive the payment or make the payment, and at the grassroots level. So this is true democratization of money, secure and very trustworthy.
Yes.
You replace money with energy. Like for example, rooftop solar energy, EV charging energy, demand response as a negative energy. And then you are able to do seamless transactions with your peers once this is notified and legalized by the government.
Okay.
And then also make and receive seamless payments. Just like you.
And it is a credit and debit concept. You know, if you are consuming, it is getting debited, and if you are generating electricity at a localized level, it will be credited to your account. That's great. So definitely it will be a revolutionary step.
Energy wallet kind of concept, just like your money wallet. So that could be.
Okay. Thank you a lot, sir. Pleasure meeting you, sir.